Welcome back, cruisers. It's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we'll be exploring an infinite grand suite on board Royal Caribbean's Legend of the Seas. This specific suite happens to be one of my favorite categories on the whole entire ship, and I think after the tour, you'll see why. Before booking, be sure to contact your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link below for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Booking a grand suite on board bumps you into Royal Caribbean's prestigious Sky Class. This upgrade unlocks a whole new level of VIP access on board. You get guaranteed all-day dining at the suite's only restaurant, Coastal Kitchen, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You also gain full access to the private suite lounge, featuring complimentary beer, wine, sodas, and happy hour cocktails, alongside the exclusive suite sun deck, the Grove, which is a gorgeous, quiet oasis up top, equipped with a pool, hot tub, bar area, and light bites served throughout the day. On top of that, everyone registered in the suite gets complimentary Voom Surf and Stream high-speed internet powered by Starlink, one device per person, which is a massive savings for a lot of families. You'll also enjoy complimentary 24-hour room service, priority departure, and prime reserve seating in the theaters for those Broadway-style shows. Best of all, you have a dedicated concierge team on hand to personally take care of all of your show reservations, specialty dining, and port excursions, giving you a completely seamless, stress-free vacation from start to finish. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first step inside your suite, you'll find an entryway setup on one side that houses your Lavazza coffee maker, which comes fully stocked with a selection of espresso and tea. The mini fridge is tucked directly below, and the upper cabinet houses your digital room safe. In the corner is your first closet featuring hanging storage, additional open shelving, and your upgraded suite bathrobes and slippers. As you'll see throughout the tour, this category offers a massive amount of storage. Directly across on the wall, you'll spot your main temperature control. This digital touchscreen functions as both your thermostat and the central lighting controls for the entire suite. Stepping into the bathroom, it's a rather impressive size for a grand suite on board Royal Caribbean. You're greeted by a large vanity with a backlit mirror and built-in open shelving on both sides for your daily essentials. The side of the vanity features two standard US outlets with drawers down below for smaller toiletries and a wide open storage cubby underneath for extra space. Directly across from the vanity is your shower tub combo. It comes equipped with an adjustable shower wand and a built-in retractable clothesline. This tub is a great addition for families who need a dedicated bath space for the kids in the evening, plus the space is stocked with premium upgraded Malin & Getz bath amenities. Stepping back into the suite, you'll find a large desk that doubles as a vanity. It features a large backlit mirror and a desktop that opens up to reveal your hairdryer. For charging devices, this area is equipped with a combo plug, European outlet, and both USB and USB-C ports. Below the desktop are multiple large drawers, two cabinets that open up to reveal shelving units, again, more storage for the suite. Heading into the bedroom space, you're greeted by an upgraded Royal King bed with premium linens. It's positioned looking directly out the floor-to-ceiling windows, which is a configuration I wish we would see more out of a lot of cruise lines. If you're traveling with friends or family, this bed can easily be split into two twins. Flanking the bed are two nightstands with drawers, and both sides feature a standard US outlet alongside USB and USB-C ports. And mounted on the wall right next to the bed is the first of two large flat panel smart TVs. This is perfect for exploring the ship, watching on-demand movies, or tuning into live TV channels. This TV is mounted on an arm that can pull out and face the bed, or move it out of the way if you want to take advantage of those amazing ocean views. Moving into the living area, this open space can be separated by a blackout curtain if it's being used as a second sleeping area. For families traveling with more than two guests, the corner features a cozy sofa that converts into additional bedding. If you have 3 passengers, the third guest sleeps on the top of the sofa bed, and the fourth passenger would utilize the pull-out bed tucked underneath. I also appreciate the outlets and USB ports located right next to the sofa. Having easy access to power in all of the bedding spaces is something that these modern ships do really well. In the opposite corner, a large desk sits below your second interactive flat panel smart TV, alongside additional drawers and another closet with hanging space. Lastly, let's talk about what makes this grand suite category one of my favorites on the entire ship, the infinite balcony concept. This design brings the balcony square footage right inside the room, providing a panoramic floor-to-ceiling window instead of the traditional outdoor balcony space. but you can still take advantage of the fresh air. All you have to do is hit a button on the wall and the top half of the window automatically glides down, transforming the entire space into an open air balcony. And as someone who enjoys the air conditioning more than the average person, I love this configuration for Caribbean sailings. You can take full advantage of those amazing ocean views and fresh air, but still stay inside your air-conditioned suite to enjoy it all. You'll still have that same dining table set for 4 and the large lounge chair that's normally located out on the balcony space. And having all of that extra square footage inside of the suite is what makes this one of my favorite suite categories on the whole ship. And as we all know, the suite is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. And if you enjoyed this suite tour, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel for all your cruise content. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to see you all out on the high seas on board Royal Caribbean, perhaps having a perfect day at Coco Cay.